Once again, welcome back to the Star and Delta channel. Today is our lecture topic about the 5 types of powders used in electrical cables insulation. In electrical cables, various types of powders are used for different purposes. These powders are added during the manufacturing process to improve cable performance, protection, and handling. Here are 5 common powders used in electrical cables. Powdered polyethylene, P. Powdered polyethylene is used as a filler in some cables to improve their mechanical properties. It provides additional insulation, increases the tensile strength, and enhances the cable's resistance to bending and impact. Powdered P is commonly used in power cables and communication cables. Superabsorbent polymer, SAP. Superabsorbent polymer is used as a water-blocking agent in modern power and telecommunication cables. SAP swells and forms a gel-like substance when exposed to moisture or water, creating a barrier that prevents water from migrating along the cable core. This helps protect the cable from water damage, which is essential for underground or outdoor installations. Cable filling compound. Cable filling compounds are usually non-conductive powders that fill the interstices or voids between cable components. These compounds improve the mechanical stability of the cable and protect it from the ingress of moisture and other contaminants. The filling compound also acts as an insulating material and reduces the risk of harmful discharges within the cable. Zinc dust. Zinc dust is used as a metallic powder in some cables for earthing or grounding purposes. It provides good electrical conductivity and helps in dissipating fault currents safely to the ground, thereby protecting the cable and the connected electrical equipment. Talcum powder. Talcum powder is used as a lubricant during cable manufacturing to aid in the extrusion process. It prevents the cable's outer sheath or insulation from sticking to the extrusion machinery, ensuring a smooth and uniform surface finish on the cable. These are just a few examples of the powders used in electrical cables. The specific powders and their quantities vary depending on the bit, type, and application of the cable. Each powder serves a particular purpose in enhancing the cable's performance, safety, and reliability. In the end, I must say, if you learned from my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video because your support has built up my confidence.